In this video, we're looking at highest common factor. Now, highest common factor of some numbers is the biggest number which divides into both numbers or into all numbers. So simply what you need to do is find the factors of each number and then find the one that's biggest and in both of them or in all of them. So for 16 and 10, let's write out the factors of 16. So obviously it's going to be 1 and 16. 2 divides into 16 and that's 2 times 8, so they're both factors. 3 doesn't, 4 does, that's 4 times 4. And as I've got to something times itself, I stop, so they're my factors. Let's do the same for 10, which we did in the other one. 1 and 10, obviously, 2 and 5. 3 doesn't divide it, 4 doesn't divide it, so that's all that's left. Okay, let's just reorder them and probably make life simpler to find the biggest factor. So let's have a look. What's common to both? Well, they both have 1 and they both have 2 and no more. And as 2 is the biggest number, 2 must be the highest common factor. Obviously, we can find the highest common factor of 3 numbers. So we've got 3 numbers here. Okay, highest common factor, so factors are 25. Well, we know 1 and 25. 3, 2 and 3 and 4 don't divide in 25, but 5 does. And that's 5 times 5, so we stop there. So the factors in order are 1, 5 and 25. 5, well 1 and 5, obviously. 2 doesn't divide into it, 3 doesn't, 4 doesn't, so it's only 1 and 5. For 20, we've got 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 3 doesn't divide into it, 4 does, 4 and 5. And as the next one will be 5, that must be all that's left there. So we've got 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. So let's find what numbers are common to both. Well, 1 is, there's 1, and so's 5, but nothing bigger. So 5 is the highest common factor of those numbers.